Is it safe if I crack my own neck? Is it safe if I adjust my own spine or if I crack my own back? Very common question. The answer, no, it's not. You can actually do a lot of damage. Even if you know what you're doing, what we're doing when we're adjusting the spine is moving it in a really specific plane, and it's just impossible to do it yourself, even if you're a pro, an expert at it. You know, the urge to do this is because the body detects something is out of place. The brain is constantly checking every part of the body 60 times every second. So it knows when things are out of place, when something's injured. So you'll get a feeling like it's not quite right and it needs to move, and that's where that's coming from. But the problem is you're not moving the spot that's stuck. You're moving areas above and below that over time become hypermobile. They're moving more than they're supposed to sort of compensate for that area that's stuck. So when you hear a pop, it's not that area that's stuck, and it's not possible to get the right line of correction, it's called, when we're looking at that direction that it needs to go to correct. You can easily do more harm than good, even if you're feeling some relief. So I urge you to get your spine checked by a qualified chiropractor. They can help you out and get the job done properly so that it heals up. Chances are the area where you're feeling it, that it needs to pop, is not even the same spot where the actual problem is. It might be a compensatory problem where it's compensating for something lower down or further up. So I'm Dr. Steve Battaglino with Battaglino Family Chiropractic, urging you to get your spine checked by a qualified chiropractor and not pop your own neck.